Okay. Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Benadasti. I would like to explain the next topic from the subject that is solid modeling and drafting, and the unit number one that is geometric transformations. So, in yesterday's lecture, we have covered about what is shear, what is the definition of shear. Then there are two types of shear, that is x-axis shear and y-axis shear. So, students, first of all, what is meant by shear? Shear is the transformation that causes the image to slant either in x direction or either in y direction. Okay, and in the previous lecture, we have covered the y-axis shear that we are taking a simple example of y-axis shear by 1.5. That is amount of shear is 1.5. Okay, so today I would like to continue the topic here. That is the topic is we have to here just consider, just take one simple example of x here by 1.5. Okay. So here again will that the transformation, that is the shear transformation shear transformation. The general equation for shear transformation is P dash is equal to P into SH. This one is the general equation for shear transformations. That is P dash is equal to P into SH. Here SH, shear. SH means what? Shear. This P means what? This P is old value and P dash, that is new value. That is new value after shearing. So SH is nothing but shear, and for X shear by 1.5, that is if 1.5 is nothing but amount of shear. That here we have to consider one simple example. And for X shear, the shear formula that is equal to in form of matrix 1 0 b 1. Here we have to consider a shear equation or formula that is equal to in the form of matrix 1 0 b 1. Here what is b? B is nothing but amount of shear. B, amount of shear along x-axis. Here we have to consider amount of shear at 1.5. So, students, here we have to consider example of rectangle. So I just draw a simple system, that is x coordinate and y coordinate system showing the shearing of rectangle. Okay. So here, suppose here I just draw a graph. This one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And along x-axis it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and it is 3 along x-axis. I just draw horizontal lines, vertical lines. Suppose these are the horizontal lines. Vertical 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And here it is 35 along x-axis, and along y-axis, suppose the distance, that is 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay. Here to take an example of rectangle. Okay, the rectangle having coordinates a, that is 5 5. Now to consider b as 5 10, 5 10, c as 15 10, c as 15 10, and d as 15 5. D as 15 and 5. That we have to transform these points onto this graph. Here, point A. Point A is 5 5. That is x distance is 5. This one is x distance, y distance. X distance is 5 and y distance is again 5. So x is 5, y is 5. This one is our point A. And it's 5 5. B point having dimensions or coordinates b 5 10. X 5, x is 5, and y, this x is 5 and y is 10. Here suppose b, that is 5 10. Point C having coordinates 15 and 10. X is 15, this x is 15 and y is 10. Suppose here our point is C, that is 15 and 10. D is 15, x is 15, y is 5. Here suppose our point is D, 15 and 5. That we have to join these 4 points so that we get what? Rectangle. Okay, this rectangle A, B, C and D. That we have to shear, that we have to transform this rectangle to new position. How to transform? So let us take solve a simple equations for this. Suppose we have equation. Okay, we have equations. That is P dash is equal to P into SS. This one is the standard equations of shear transformation. That is P dash is equal to P into SS. Okay. And we have here we have to consider what? Transformation of rectangle. And rectangle having points A, B, C and D. Means we have to transform this rectangle as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. That is equal to A, B, C, D into transformation, shear transformation into SH. SH means what? Shear transformation. So students here A, B, C, D. ABCD points for rectangle that is equal to in the form of matrix 5 5, 5 10, 15 10 and 15 5, and it is 15 5. And SH shear transformation. And what is the formula for shear transformation along x-axis? That is equal to 1 0 B 1. So here what is B? This B is nothing but amount of shear. B is amount of shear. Here we have to consider this x shear by 1.5. Here we have to consider the amount of shear as that is equal to 1.5. Means our shear equation in the form of matrix becomes 1 0 1.5 and 1. 1 0 amount of shear is 1.5, that we have to here. Assume amount of shear 1.5 and 1. Okay. So next step is we have to solve this equation. That is the multiplication of matrix. That is ABCD into SH. ABCD means what? The points, coordinates of rectangle. That is 5, 5, 5, 10, 15, 10, 15, 5 into multiplication of shear. Here, the shear equation in the form of matrix, that is equal to 1, 0, 1.5 and 1. That you have to add. Sorry, that you have to multiply in the given equations. So next step is we have to multiply and solve these equations as, and those equations are a dash, b dash, c dash, d dash, that is equal to 5, 5, then 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 10, 15, 10 and 15, 5 into shear as such 1, 0, 1.51, 1, 0, 1.51. That we have to multiply this matrix, this ABCD matrix into shear matrix. So how to solve? We have to consider here first row, first column. Okay, first row, first column, first row, second column. That we have to add. So first row, 5 into 1, 5 into 1. This 5 into 1 plus this 5 into 1.5 plus 5 into 1.5. 5 into this 5 into 1.5. That is our first element. And second element is 5 into 0. 5 into 0. This 5 into 0 plus 5 into 1. 5 into 1 here. For second element, for this second element, this 5 into 1. 5 into 5 into 1, 10 into 1 point plus 10 into 1 point, 10 into 1.5. Therefore, second, 5 into 0, 5 into 0 plus 10 into 5 into 0 plus 10 into 1. For third row, this third row, 15. This 15 into 1, 15 into 1. This 15 into 1 plus 10 into 1 point, 10 into 1.5. And for second element, 15 into 0 plus 10 into 1. 15 into 0 plus 10 into 1. And for fourth row, 15 into 1, 15 into 1 plus this 15 into 1 plus 5 into 1.5. 5 is 5 into 1.5. And for last element, 15, this 15 into 0 plus 5 into 1. So we have to solve this matrix, addition and multiplication. Finally, that is equal to, finally, this 5 into 1 plus 5 into 1.5 is 5 plus 7.5. 5 plus 7.5. This 5 to 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 0 plus 5. Here is 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 10 into 1.5. 5, that is 15. That is 15. This 5 into 0, 0 plus 10 into 1 is nothing but 10. Then 15, this 15 plus 15, 15 plus 15. And it is 0 plus 0 plus 10. And last 15 plus sorry, is 15. 10 into 1, 15 plus 5 into 1.5 is 7.5. This 15 into 0 plus 5 is 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. And finally, the answer is for transform a rectangle, that is here 5 plus 7.5, 12.5, 5, 20, 10, 30, 10, 22.5 and 5. 22.5 and 5. Okay, means these are the new coordinates. These are the new coordinates of transform rectangle. That is A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. Means finally A dash, that is equal to x coordinate 12.5 and y coordinate is 5. B dash 2010, 2010. C dash 3010, 3010. And D dash 22.5, D dash 22.5 and 5. 22.5 and 5. Okay. So we have to transform these points of new rectangle to our graph, that is our x and y axis. So A dash having x coordinate 12.5 and y coordinate as 5. So x is 12.5. Here it is 10, 15. X is, distance is 10, 15 is 12.5 is located somewhat here, middle point of this point. That is our middle point of 10 and 15, because our x coordinate here is 12.5. This one is our A dash. A dash point here as 12.5 and 5. Because x distance is 12.5 and y distance is 5. B dash point, x distance is 20 and y distance is 10. X distance, that is equal to 20 and y distance is 10. Here is 20 and 10 here. This point is nothing but B dash, that is 20 and 10. A dash, B dash, A, B. Then C dash 30. X is 30. X is 30. X is 30 and Y is 10. Somewhere here C dash 30, 10. And D dash 22.5 and 5. X is 22.5 and Y is 5. Here the distances are 20, 25. is this 22.5 is located somewhere in between 20 and 25. Means here this point is nothing but d dash 22.5. That is x distance and y distance is 5. Y distance is 5. Means here how to join all 4 points as A, B, A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So this triangle, sorry, rectangle is nothing but our transform rectangle. A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. This one is our transform rectangle, and this numerical or simple example that is based on x here by amount 1.5. So students, this one is the simple example of shear. That is, there are two types of shear: y-axis shear and x-axis shear. And shear is the transformation that the image that have to be either slant or that image having the tilting property, that is nothing but the shear. That is shear along x-axis and shear along y-axis. So today we covered the what is the types of shear, that is y-axis shear. What is shear? In tomorrow's lecture, we have to start the new topic, that is homogeneous coordinates. So today we'll stop here. Thank you.